Hello my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have, and the topic of this video: how to fix screen is too dark even then maximum brightness is turned on. This video I will show you 3 effective methods, and 1 best method. Let's get started and do everything step by step. Please click like, then I will get hard, you'll get hard too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you. Write in the comments whether yours got up are or not your like. And ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So, step or methods number 1. How to fix this problem, your iPhone. Okay, we go settings and search accessibility. Search accessibility, or click search and typing the text accessibility, yeah. And we go display and text size. Okay, and typing down Tumblr activation. This is turn on. Okay, turn off. Click turn off. Yeah, turn off. This is step or methods or way number 1. Okay, how to fix this problem. Okay, now I show you methods number 2. Let's go back and display and text size and turn off. Turn off. This is Tumblr, turn off. Oh, okay, and let's go back and zoom filter, and yeah, and let's go back accessibility settings and cancel, and click search and typing the text reset. This is best methods how to fix your problem. How to fix screen is too dark even then maximum brightness is turned on. Okay, reset general and reset network settings and reset home screen. Okay, and yeah, and passcode for this iPhone. Okay, and your iPhone reset and your problem no problem. Yeah, so I showed you the first method. It is very effective. 3 effective methods and best method. Yeah, check if this method works for you. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not a problem. Please comments your number, your iPhone and iOS version. Okay, please click like, then I will get heart, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing likes. Thank you, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So please leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.